You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
For the New Jack City.
All right, guys, I'm here with Anthony. We just left the closing, so tell everybody about what you just did, Anthony.
I just spent a lot of money.
All right, you spent a lot of money, but did you get anything? I mean, did you throw the money away?
No, I didn't throw the money away. I'm ready to double that money.
You ready to double the money?
I'm ready to double the money.
Was the process smooth?
It was very smooth.
Now, were you about to do this before you came to the boot camp? Was this like in your immediate plans, like before you came to the boot camp?
It was in my plans.
So you already had, so you had it in mind. You just needed a nudge or whatnot.
I needed the support and the financing.
Needed the financing. Who hooked you up with the financing?
Let me see. Their names are Rock Light. They call Nate and Eric.
That's right. We hooked him up with the finance, all because he came to the boot camp. Everything is working out for my man, Anthony. I'm not gonna say his last name because he might not want y'all to know his last name, but my man Anthony, everything is working out like a charm for him. And now he's about to get busy on this beast right here. So what are you planning on doing with this property that we're standing in right now?
Opening up walls, taking out stairs, basically doing a total remodel in here. Regut.
So how much you gonna end up spending here?
About 153. About 153.
153,000. And what did you end up paying for the property?
85.
85,000. Now you have some other plans too, because this is not like the only house on the block. I mean, you have plans to do something else on this block, correct?
Yes, I do.
And what might that be?
I'm ready to buy the block back.
You about to buy the block? I think we're about to go in on the block also. We're about to buy up this whole block, and as you guys can see in the B-roll footage right now, you guys can see the block. You know, these are the lots that we're about to try to attack, and they're all owned by basically one group of people.
Correct.
So we're gonna go try to make a play. And how many lots are we talking? We're talking about 10 on this block, and they said they have a total of how many altogether?
How many total? About 40 lots.
About 40 lots. So we about to feed ourselves really good. We're about to get every off the hook.
Yes, sir.
So yep, guys, this is what can happen when you come to the Rock Like What boot camp, the real estate boot camp. You know, hey, if you have the drive, because we can't make you rich. We can't give you the drive. So when you come to the boot camp, you have to already come with that drive. But what we can do is we can put you in a position with the money and give you a little bit of our know-how to make, you know, things happen for yourself, you and your family. That's gonna do it for this video. I know it was a very short video, but I really ain't got the time to be making videos all day long. What about you, Anthony? You got time to be sitting around on video all day long?
I'm ready to get some more money.
Ready to get some more money? Me too, man. Let's go get some money. All right, guys. Until the next video, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and what? Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until the next video, I'm out.
Peace.
Peace.